I know you guys are asking yourself, what does Drake's quarantine look like? Literally have been doing everything in this car. Cleaning it. I got new tires put on. I got new brakes put on. Did the exhaust myself. It's amazing. Just been cleaning this car. It takes up a lot of my time. But the fronts are Falcon Azena FR510s, and they are 235 35Z on 19s. And the rears, Falcon Azena's 510. It is 275 30 on 20s. There you go. She's all clean. This is the cleanest I think I've seen this car in a while. I mean, it looks so dang good. It's just, I mean, it always looks good. Let's go to the car show. Hey. Hey, 6 feet away.
That's right. Look, hey. No, bring it in.
This thing is truly a monster. 560 horsepower, 2,300 pounds, and not to mention Paul behind the wheel, man. He's been racing for a good while. This car has no traction control, no assist, no ABS, it's stick shift. It's like sitting on a rocket, man. This thing really takes off, and I'm sure it is probably not easy to control. Oh, and it shoots fire. But yeah, apparently he has one of two. I think I'm going to do a review on his car and get a little bit further in depth. This episode, you'll kind of see towards the end, is, you know, not so much about materialism and what we have and showing off, but it's the fact that all of us can come together in a unity. For one thing, you know, we all love the joys of our cars. You know, do we have to have crazy exotic cars and things that go way too fast? No. But it's the excitement, it's the adrenaline, it's the sheer feeling like a kid again moment that hits us all. That's what we all have in common. And sometimes it's nice just to go back to that feeling, you know, to continue to understand that, you know, in these times of hardness and uncertainty in the world, you know, it's super important to keep up with your family members and to keep up with your friends and make sure mental health is great with everybody else and yourself. You know, keep yourself in line, but keep your friends close and be the greatest person you can be.